In many cases, there are situations where the first to respond is the first to win. In those particular cases, this makes us win business. As we keep growing quickly, we need to change the way we do things, and we need to leverage technology and AI to make us be able to go faster as we grow. All our insurance companies, they have tons and tons of unstructured data. Managing that unstructured data as an insurance broker is very difficult, and that's why AI right now is helping us deal with that.
We view AI as not just a technology enabler, but it is a strategic multiplier. The ones that we're focused in on, number one is talent productivity, and then number two would be operational efficiency. All of our investments in AI technologies are prioritized based on the ROI level, and that's what we're going after. So this process had greater than 15 steps that required manual intervention from various different individuals. It gets executed 150,000 times, takes over 180 minutes to be able to execute. Our goal was to reduce that execution time by 75%, still maintaining the level of accuracy that a manual human would do, but bringing in the human in the loop to be able to check and verify the output from an AI perspective.
When we look at Copilot and how we deployed it at Gallagher, we're seeing like what people are typically seeing efficiencies in being able to summarize documents. Mostly we see it in email today. So we see people search their inboxes and get summaries from the inboxes.
We're very excited about all of the different use cases that we have lined up for 2026. One that really excites me and Dave is our RFP use case. It's a document-heavy, very time-sensitive process. What we're doing is we're essentially automating that process using Azure Foundry. We're automating that process using Copilot Studio. We're creating specialized agents that are going to take each of those steps in that process and be able to quickly churn out a RFP summary that can then be reviewed by our RFP teams to then turn around and send back to our prospects and clients. The Microsoft partnership has been incredible. They brought in a solution that ultimately allowed us to be able to deploy our first AI assistant. We're heavily regulated. We need a secure, compliant platform that we can build off of. Microsoft Azure AI technologies have been able to provide that. AI and the pace at which it's being adopted and deployed and the value that it's bringing the organization has been unparalleled to anything that I've seen.
It kind of showed us that AI wasn't just something that the technology guys were building and was going to help us make some process more efficient. It was really something that would change the way everybody worked at the company.